Willis Tower, formerly known as the Sears Tower, is a landmark skyscraper in Chicago, Illinois. Completed between 1970 and 1973, it stood as the tallest building in the world at 1,150 feet, 442 meters, until 1998. Designed in a modernist style by architect Bruce Graham and structural engineer Fazlur Rahman Khan of Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, SOM, the tower's tubular structure was a pioneering design innovation. Originally built for Sears, Roebuck & Co., the building was renamed Willis Tower in 2009. Notable for its skydeck on the 103rd floor and the ledge glass balconies, it remains a major attraction, drawing millions of visitors each year.